Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stream any TV channel on your Windows computer. In order to do that, first we're going to visit a website, Tellyflix.com. After that, we're going to click on these three lines on top right corner and then go to Setup Guides. Here under Windows tab there is a link where we can download Tellyflix application. We click that and then download Tellyflix app to our computer. After downloading and installing the app, the icon of the app will appear on the desktop. Double click that to launch the app. Once the app starts, it asks for some credentials, username and password. And how do we get these username and password? We go back to our browser and we go back to Tellyflix, Tellyflix.com. We click that three lines again and go to free trial. On free trial screen, we enter our first name and our email address, and on this tab we select Windows and we leave this one empty and we click free trial. After a few minutes, or sometimes after an hour or so, you will receive an email from Tellyflix. Open that email and you will see your credentials, username and password. Copy and paste these credentials on the application here and then click Add User. Let's do that together. On any name field here, you can type in any name, your name or Tellyflix, whatever you want. I'm just gonna type in Tellyflix and then Add User. There you go. Once you get access to the main dashboard or the application, you will have live TV, movies and series buttons there. If you click live TV, you will see a bunch of country names, and clicking on one of these will open up the channel list associated with that country. Say Germany, for example. And here we have almost every channel from Germany. Going back, I have movies here and series. So this is how you stream almost any TV channel available in the world on your Windows computer. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will try to help you with connection issues and other technical issues. Thank you very much.